Rolling.
I mean, look there as well.
There'll be no body to it, it'll be a bit watery.
How are we, everyone? I'm Niall, this is Joey, we are the Northern Baristas. We're back with another coffee video. Guys, we're now dropping coffee videos Wednesday, 12 o'clock. So check it out and subscribe to the channel if you're not. Joey, we promised the guys...
W for Wednesday.
Wednesday, 12 o'clock. We promised the guys at home a grind control video on our very first video, in fact, didn't we? So here we are delivering the goods, and it's so important. I'm sure we've all had coffee shops that run through too fast, that piss through the machine like this one, just like this. And equally, I'm sure we've all had shots that you could go watch the Titanic and still be waiting for the coffee to run through. But what we're wanting is liquid gold. It's so important. But Joey, how are we going to get there? Because we're not talking about the coffee machine anymore.
No, we're not. We're all looking for that perfect extraction. And to do that, we need to move and have a look at the grinder. We'll see you there.
So Joey, we're at the grinder right now. Let's talk about the first coffee. It was running too fast, which meant it was too coarse, pissing through the machine. Yeah. So how are we going to adjust this at the grinder right now?
Yes.
For the guys at home struggling with this.
Yeah, 100%. So guys, we've got a grinder here at the coffee shop, obviously a lot bigger than you'll probably have at home, but any decent grinder that you'll have at home will have a knob or a gauge or something to turn to adjust the size of your grind. So that first shot, running out far too fast, won't taste good, not extracting enough coffee. All you guys need to do is make an adjustment to your grinder and make it finer. Make your particles smaller so the water can't pass through, and then as quick, and you'll extract a better tasting coffee.
And remember guys, like our first video, small adjustments, small movements rather, make big adjustments, and that is key when it's, you don't want to move it too far, because that will adjust.
So just keep adjusting until you get that liquid gold.
Beautiful. So our second cup, it was taking ages. I think it pulled through in 72 seconds.
Yeah.
So how are we going to adjust this then? Just completely opposite way.
Exactly that. So we obviously over-exaggerated for the purpose of the video. We made it very fine, but your espresso might be taking 40 seconds, 50 seconds. All you do is exactly the same, but the other way. You make it more coarse this time. And again, small movements, make big adjustments. Just make it, you might waste a little bit of coffee, but just keep tweaking it a little bit until you get liquid gold.
Beautiful. We pulled it through a few shots here. We don't know what it's going to be. I say for the guys at home, for an example, let's pull through a shot. Let's see where it's at. We might have to tweak it.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Let's see. So let's see how this extracts. We don't know what the grind is doing. It looks coarse to me. Looks very coarse.
I mean, yeah. I mean, get in there for the parts. See some of the ground.
Here you can see.
See that.
I can feel that it's coarse in my tamp. It's like tamping sand. This is going to run very fast.
You've got the shavings there as well.
So here we go.
Yeah.
See. Absolutely running El Rapido.
El Rapido. I mean, 13.
There you go. So that's very drastic because we've been playing with the grind a lot for the purpose of the video. So now, Josh, just get in there and just see that. You can see, you know, when you see a good shot, the comparison is just uncomparable. And what's that going to taste like now?
Well, it's going to taste very sour, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't really want it.
And there'll be no body to it. It'll be a bit watery. It won't be very pleasant at all. Look at that. Look at that. The crema has just gone already. From now, just having a quick sip, and I bet that wasn't very nice, was it?
It wasn't indeed.
So that's too fast. Tastes like garbage. I don't want to say garbage like coffee. It doesn't taste great. It's not perfect, and we all want perfection. We all want a perfect extraction. So, like we said before, guys, that was very coarse, and we said little things maybe adjustment. But I am going to make a slightly bigger adjustment to try and find that perfect extraction. So I find it up, and let's pack another shot.
Perfect.
Let's see what happens then. See you on the other side.
There we are.
Again, our next shot could be absolutely tip top.
I'm going to keep that there.
Comparison.
Just for a comparison at the end, you'll be able to see the flavours there as
Just
well.
a little movement here, look, another little cheeky one, literally. Boom, that's it. I'm just going to waste this one, guys. Use it for your compost or something like that. Just because it's more. See how we go here. See how we go here. I think this is going to be the winner.
I mean, timing wise, you want it dropping about
Here
9.
we go.
There we
Look
go.
at this. That's the drop we're after. Look at that. That's
Thick. Thick as well,
that
that
is
is.
liquid gold.
I mean, look there as well.
And then you'll
Marbleization isn't a word, but I think it should be.
You'll just start to see it sort of blonding now. We're on for a good time shot. I'm drinking that now. I'm drinking that. Look at that, 29 seconds, slightly shorter than all the Baristas. Basic espresso recipe, but the coffee we're using. Perfect.
Josh, if you get round here, mate, look at. Obviously, that one's been sat there, hasn't it, for 30, 45 seconds, or maybe a bit more. But just get it close up of there. It already just looks so much more appealing, doesn't it? Which one do you want?
I'll take that one, please. So yeah, guys, that is grind control in a nutshell. Tweak your grind, make it coarser if it's too fine. Tweak your grind, make it finer if it's too coarse. Search for that perfect extraction that we're all after. Beautiful. Cheers.
Shine on. See you in a bit, guys.